गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट एसिड, बेस एंड सॉल्ट. इस वीडियो में हम लोग एसिड, बेस और सॉल्ट के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. सबसे पहले ये जानेंगे कि एसिड है क्या, बेस क्या है और सॉल्ट क्या है, उनकी क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं और क्या एप्लीकेशन है हमारे डेली लाइफ में. सबसे पहले हम एसिड से स्टार्ट करें. एसिड आर द सब्सटेंस दैट डोनेट प्रोटोन इन अ सॉल्यूशन. दे टिपिकली हैव सोर टेस्ट एंड टर्न्स लिटमस पेपर रेड. कॉमन एग्जाम्पल इज योर हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सैट्रिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सो बेसिकली एसिड आपका खट्टा होता है टेस्ट में. ये ब्लू लिटमस को रेड में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. इसे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं आपके हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सैट्रिक एसिड, एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड, दिस ऑल आर द एसिड्स. नेक्स्ट इज बेस. बेस आर द सब्सटेंस दैट एक्सेप्ट प्रोटोन एंड release hydroxide ions in solution. They often have a bitter taste and feel slippery. स्लिपरी होते हैं ये और प्रोटोन को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. They are bitter in taste, like sodium hydroxide, ammonia are the best example of this base. एसिड की एसिडिटी और बेस की बेसिसिटी को नापने के लिए हम लोग pH स्केल का यूज करते हैं. pH स्केल मेजर्स द एसिडिटी और alkalinity of a solution. Its range from 0 to 14 with 7 being neutral. Solution with a pH less than 7 is your acidic, while those with pH greater than 7 are your basic. pH scale is crucial in various fields including chemistry, biology and environmental science. The pH helps to determine acidity of the soils, acidity or basicity of a water and other substances. Acid-base reaction is called neutralization reaction. When acid reacts with the base, this reaction is called a neutralization reaction and salt and water forms. When acid reacts with base, they neutralize each other forming salt and water. The reaction releases heat and resulting solution becomes neutral and its pH is 7. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. These are the common examples of your acid based on salt. Hydrochloric acid, examples of acid is your hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Example of base is your sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Salt, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride. Now, importance of acid, base and salt in everyday life. Food. Acid like citric acid in lemon, vinegar adds flavor to the dishes. Bases like baking soda used in baking. These are also used in cleaning. Acids are used in cleaning products to remove dirt and grime. Bases are found in detergent and soap. It is also useful for health. Acid and base play a vital role in digestion and maintaining the pH balance of the body. Salts are used in various ways, including preserving foods, softening water, and producing fertilizers. These are some examples. Application of acid, base, and salt in industry and science. Industrial process, acids are used in production of fertilizers, plastics, detergents. Bases are used in paper production and textile processing. Acid, base and salt are fundamental to chemical research, enabling experiments and analysis. They are essential components of various scientific applications including battery production, pharmaceutical manufacturing and analytical chemistry. So, acid, base and salt are fundamental concepts in chemistry playing significant role in everyday life, industry and science. Understanding their definitions, property, and reactions is essential for comprehending the chemical world around us. So there are some theories there regarding acid, base, and salt. First is the Arrhenius theory, which is given in 1887. According to him, acids are substance that produces H plus ions in solution, and base are substance that produces OH ions in solution. Second is Boston-Lowry theory. It was given in 1923. According to him, the acids as proton donors and bases are proton acceptor. But in 1923 again Lewis proposed a new theory. According to him, acids are electron pair acceptor and bases are electron pair donor. So the acids can be defined by these laws. Acid and base both can be defined by these laws. Examples of organic acids and their use, like citric acid. Citric acid found in citrus fruit like lemon, orange. They are the flavoring agents, preservatives and cleaning products. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is the main component of vinegars used as condiment, preservatives and industrial application. Lactic acid. Lactic acid produced by bacteria found in sour milk. Right. So these are the use of some acids. Lactic acid are also present in your yogurt, used in food productions and skin care. So this is all about the acid, base and salt. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.